This is how to make this cinematic text animation. First, add your text and make some adjustments.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the...
Now add transform effect to your text. Now make the shutter angle 360 and add a keyframe on position. In the first frame, slide down the text a little bit. Now go 10 frames forward and click Reset button. Open the position. Select all the keyframes and right-click. Then click Ease in and out. Now just drag the little dot on the left and it's smooth. Now add a keyframe on opacity and make 0 in first frame. Go to near of second frame and put another keyframe that is 100. Open opacity. Again, ease in and out. Now just drag the little dot on the left. Now it's more smooth.
Woo! Yeah!
Bye, have a great time.